Hey, it's Megan here, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Vac. I'm gonna share everything you might wanna know before purchasing, along with why this is our favorite vacuum. So let's get into it. The first thing that's great is that it comes really well packaged and it's pretty much put together. So it's a really easy assembly when it arrives. So once you get it all unboxed, everything just kind of clicks right into place. Super easy. Oh, need the bottom on. So you can see the assembly took just a few seconds and we're ready to go. Once you get all set up, which is super quick and easy, you're pretty much ready to go. Now, one thing you might want to know before purchasing is it has this accessory holder on the side, but it can only hold one accessory at a time. So I guess if you're just planning a very specific cleaning project and you know that you'll need one of the 3 accessories, you can just attach it on the side so it comes with you. Not the biggest deal in the world, but just so you know. Now, we got this vacuum because one of our friends had it and we were so impressed with its performance that we knew we had to have one too. So I think the most important thing to know before purchasing is how it works. So let's get it in action. So you can see we have 2 features here, bare floor and brush roll on. Bare floor is best for hardwood and brush roll on is best for carpet. It does have your kick motion here so you can get more of an angle depending on where you're vacuuming. And let's turn it on. So as you can see, great suction. It got everything up in just one sweep over the area. And then something else I love is it doesn't kick any of the crumbs out. That was an issue we had with our last vacuum. The next thing I love is that there's 2 release options. So you can release at the top here. So this is great for corners or countertops. I'll show you right now. And the second release is down here. And on this one, you can use the pet hair power brush if you have pets. This is great for couches, so you can really get into your couch if you have pet hairs. It has the power brush inside and then also this fabric material here to capture the pet hair. And something you might want to know with this attachment is if you first put it in the extension arm, it's going to fall out, but once you turn the vacuum on, it stays on. So you can get your tight corners with this as well. I think that's actually kind of nice because I don't know if you've ever had attachments that have gotten like stuck or they get a little more dirty. So I actually really like that feature, but just in case you want to know. Another great feature of this vacuum is the lift away. This is probably why you're looking at getting it. So this red button down here allows you to pop this part off. And this is great for if you have stairs that you want to walk up and down, or for high reach places. Like for example, if I wanted to get the corners of the window, I could carry this with me to get higher, harder to reach places. So the final thing you probably want to know is all about emptying this Shark vacuum. So there's 2 places to keep in mind. The first is the full release here. You can do the whole canister, and then once you're ready, you just click this button here, and it makes for a nice, easy cleanup since it releases easily into a trash bin. The great thing is, since this is all plastic, you can run water through it to rinse it. And then the other part to know is the dust capture up here. This is where one of the filters is. So it's really easy to clean as well. So I am super happy with my Shark vacuum. It is super easy to put together. All of the attachments are just what I need to keep my space clean. It's really lightweight as well, and it has great suction. Everything you need in a vacuum. So I hope you enjoy yours. Thanks for watching.